Hello everyone, my name is Arya Ajay Gurserkar and I am a legal intern at Lexan Company. I'm also a fourth year BLB student GR Kare College of Law, Margao, Goa, under Goa University. And today I'm going to be talking on the topic of accident is a general defense under the Indian Penal Code. And the purpose of making this video is to spread awareness about the general defenses. One of the general defenses, that is an accident, which can be used as defense under any offense of the Indian Penal Code. So general defenses are given under the chapter 4, section 76 to 106 of the Indian Penal Code, which are grouped together the cases in which an act that would ordinarily be an offense is not an offense by reason of social circumstances in which it is done. These are described as general exceptions which may be pleaded by the accused to claim immunity from punishment prescribed for the offences of which he is charged. These sections are the most important ones from the point of view of general mental condition of criminal responsibility, and that is why this code devotes considerate space to chapter 4. So, as per section 80 of the IPC, it provides the concept of accident. Accident is a doing of a lawful act. Nothing in the offense which is done by accident or misfortune and without any criminal intention or knowledge, in the doing of the lawful act in a lawful manner, by lawful means, and with proper care and caution. The illustration are as follows. So, A is at work with a hatchet. The head flies off and kills a man who is standing by. Here, if there was no want of proper caution on the part of A, he is actually excusable and not an offense. The section exempts the doer of an innocent or lawful act in an innocent or lawful manner from an unforeseen evil result that may ensue from accident or misfortune. If either of these two elements is wanting, the act will not be excused on the grounds of accident. To succeed under this section, the following essential elements of the defense must be proved. Something is done by accident or misfortune. There is absence of criminal intention or knowledge. The act done must be a lawful act. It must be done in a lawful manner. It must be done by lawful means. It must be done with proper care and caution. If any of the above mentioned 6 elements is absent, the defense under this section will fail. The words accident or misfortune used in this section have not been defined under the code. There is normally an element of unforeseeability in these, and intention and knowledge are absent, while the consequences will generally be harmful or bad. All kinds of accident or misfortune do not provide protection under this section. The defense is available only when all the 6 requirements as indicated above are fulfilled. In ordinary common parlance, accident means an event that takes place without one's foresight or expectation. An accident is an occurrence out of the ordinary course which no man of ordinary prudence could anticipate or provide against. A misfortune is only an accident with attendant evil consequences. An effect is said to be accidental when the act by which it is caused is not done with the intention of causing it, and when its occurrence as a consequence of such act is not so probable that a person of ordinary prudence ought, under the circumstances in which it is done, to take reasonable precaution against it. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my video, and please do like and subscribe on our channel LexClick, and make sure to press the bell icon to get notification when we post a video. Also, please give me a feedback on this video and previous videos which you can see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions related to this video and previous videos, please post in the comment section below. I will reply as soon as possible. Lastly, this video doesn't solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of making this video is for education purposes only. Thank you.